Dear students, in this video I explain states of matter. Okay, first of all, what is matter? Matter is anything, matter is any substance which has mass, which occupies some space and which can be perceived by our senses, any substances. So based on its physical states, matter can be classified into three types. Okay, the first one is solids. Example for solids is your book, mobile, pen, house, cycle, bike, and etc. The next one is liquids. The examples for liquids are water, cold drink, sharbat, milk, and etc. The third one is gas. Example is, air is gaseous. Okay. Dear students, in the coming video, I explain solids, their characteristics. And for all the videos, please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.